here is a guy, he is the imam, he is a young boy sitting with me. Let's have some story from this guy, that what he say about himself.
My name was from the name, that time communism name, Vladimir Lushi. But when I accepted Islam, alhamdulillah, my name is Osama. And when I born in 1978, there was time of communism, and we have learned from high school, from the first class, always they was learning us to make kufr to the God, because in the communism there was said there is no God.
No God,
communist in Kaun, in skies, there is no God, they was said. But when I was child, every time I listen the lessons from the class, from my teachers, they make kufr to the God. But when I am alone, I say, they God, you are. But those people make kufr to you. Why? Because my heart knows that God is one. There is God, there is Allah. But we cannot talk, never. If we ask sometime the teachers, why is this education to there is no God, what's important every day? They said, stop, don't ask. Still we make and come up, the years are go, still to 90. In 90 was some demonstration in Albania. They said this communism was against us, was very difficult for our life, was not free, and we hope freedom. And when they listen the words freedom, I asked my teacher, I said, the God is presently. He said, no, there is no God. I said, the God is, who creation the skies, the world, who creation us, who creation the animals, trees, everything.
How it's come to your mind that?
Like this.
Did you read some books?
No, never. But just mind was clean, was hope to believe to the God. And first who came to us, they say Tabshiriyin, they came from Rome, they give us Bibles. I take the Bible because I hope the religion, and I was read too much Bible, and I hope, and
you thought
I
that
see.
is some.
But in the Bible they say they have some books like this with a picture. This was the son of the God. The God has only one son, and this son he gave to the people to kill. I said, why the God have one son? Maybe he has too much. Why the God give the son to kill? This mind was not accepted. When I went to cities there was one old mosque. There was museum in time of communism, because they was
in this city you were living.
Elbasan was that.
Elbastan.
Was live Elbasan. I was live there and I was study there. When I saw that, I went to that mosque, and I want to ask somebody about Islam. First time I have listened the Quran. After I was they told me this was Abdul Basit Abdul Samad. For first time when I listened this Holy Quran, the Quran is coming in my heart.
Oh my God!
And I make very, very happy. This Wallahi real story has been with me. And I said, we was just stay, don't talk. Anybody we said, shh, don't talk. Is Quran, is from the God.
Do you remember what was the surah ayat?
No, I listen because I doesn't know.
Maybe Surah Rahman?
Maybe I didn't know because I didn't know any Arabic, any.
But you can recall what?
But maybe that was in Surah Rahman. When I listen, they come in my heart.
Oh my God.
And they was very great, very great. After I went,
Can you recite a few ayahs at this time?
yes, of course.
Please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا ومن الليل فتهجد به نافلة لك
Subhan.
عسى أن يبعثك ربك مقاما محمودا
Subhan.
وقل رب ادخلني مدخل صدق وأخرجني مخرج صدق واجعل لي من لدنك سلطانا نصيرا وقل جاء الحق وزهق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا
Inshallah.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين
Jazakallah.
ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah. Subhanallah.
Alhamdulillah.
You recite the Quran from your heart, and I felt that when you reach at the Kul Jal Hakka wa Zahakal Batil, and the second voice came from your heart with some tears that Innal Batila Kana Zahuka. I love you, brother. I love you.